Oh. Okay?
Yeah. You want to restop? The fucking bike hit the front end so hard.
It just bottomed out and bounced you? You're so sandy everywhere.
Sandy.
You cracked the top of your helmet too.
I legit did a handstand right here. So then I went like that. And then I rolled on the side and the bike just went. That happened. But yeah, it definitely ran me over.
It was still running down there.
Yeah, I was like, could probably stop the bike, but I'm gonna go make sure Tara's okay. Is your bike on the floor?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That shade on my head. I have one of those in my boat.
Oh.
Golf on
Oh.
The what?
I might take a nap here.
Yeah. Right?
Dude, this seat.
Home Depot sells them for like $5.
I know, I sat on it the other day. It is nice.
Wow.
You're in gear.
Hello. You are not dumb.
You're in gear, buddy.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, it's off.
Are you new, buddy?
Oh my god, you have to pull your clutch into the fucking grip?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
That's how all Banshees
You want to adjust that?
Yeah, I do. I'm taking it to my guy. Taking it to my guy on Monday.
Second. Whoa. Bro. You stay there. No. I mean, kind of, but they came up way too fast without fucking looking in front of them. Yeah, that was ridiculous. He came up the whole time looking at you, so what the fuck?
Come on, I'm struggling.
Yeah,
That was a random person?
I think so.
They were right on your ass?
No, she was coming up over here, and they came up like that.
When he was sliding, you were sliding.
I was like,
Were you
oh,
screaming?
we were all screaming.
I had a heart attack.
I was like,